Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Here's a quick review of Kwic Internet, a provider you might be considering. For your convenience, we've included links to their plans and products in the description below. This video breaks down Kwic Internet's key features, target audience, and overall performance to help you determine if they're the right fit for your internet needs. Kwic Internet is a regional internet provider operating within Ontario, Canada. They offer a diverse selection of high-speed internet solutions, specifically designed to serve rural and underserved communities. Their services encompass DSL, fiber optic, fixed wireless, and even satellite internet options, catering to a broad spectrum of connectivity requirements. Kwic Internet concentrates on providing dependable internet access to regions often overlooked by larger providers, positioning them as an excellent choice for both rural households and businesses. A significant strength of Kwic Internet lies in the flexibility of their service plans. They offer a variety of speeds and data allowances, including unlimited data packages. This is particularly appealing to users with high internet demands, such as those who stream extensively, engage in online gaming, or work remotely. Furthermore, their fixed wireless plans offer a reliable connection in areas lacking DSL or fiber infrastructure, ensuring consistent performance even in locations with connectivity challenges. Kwic Internet distinguishes itself through its personalized customer support, a critical advantage in the competitive internet service provider landscape. Their locally based customer service team is known for its responsiveness and ability to provide swift and effective solutions to technical problems. This personalized approach cultivates trust and reinforces reliability among users who appreciate accessible and friendly support. Kwic Internet's pricing structure is transparent and competitive, providing excellent value, particularly when considering the quality of service and support offered. Importantly, they don't impose long-term contracts, giving customers the freedom to modify or cancel their plans without worrying about hidden fees or penalties. In conclusion, Kwic Internet is a viable option for individuals, families, and businesses located in Ontario, Canada, seeking reliable high-speed internet in rural or underserved regions. Their diverse range of services, dedication to customer satisfaction, and competitive pricing make them a compelling choice. If you're searching for a dependable internet provider, be sure to explore the links in the description for more detailed information. Thank you for watching. We hope this review equips you to make an informed decision.